Hello, Mr. Grasshopper. Paying me a little visit here, huh? Jeez, this phone won't focus on him. There we go. Give me a... I gotta just focus from way back here and do it. I guess so. Okay. Come on. Oh, come on, man. I'm trying to get a picture of the grasshopper. What's up, grasshopper? Oh, where'd you go now? Oh, there he is. Let me get a good picture of you, Mr. Grasshopper. Wow, you're beautiful. Wow. Mr. Grasshopper. Oh, I could see all your... Let me try to get a look at your face. Can I get one of your face? Can I get a close-up of your face, Mr. Grasshopper, please? Oh, no better focus than that. Oh, yeah. Again, just in case it didn't come out. Good, Grasshopper. Don't be afraid. I ain't gonna kill you. I ain't gonna kill you. You're supposed to be our friends. You guys and praying mantises, you eat the fucking pesky mosquitoes, and there's so few of you around. Look at you. Ooh, squirrel, Mr. Squirrel. Mr. Squirrel, wait a minute. Where is he? He's right there. I'm trying to get him. He's right there. Okay, Mr. Squirrel. Sorry, Grasshopper. I just want to get a focused frontal. Oh boy, went too far. What's going on? Come on. Fucking thing won't do what I'm trying to get it to do. It's really pissing me off. Come on, man. Look, it's all out of fucking focus. There we go. He flew away now. I'm getting pissed off now. What? You son of a bitch. Wait. Why won't this thing focus? Jeez, I give up. I'm getting pissed off now. It just won't focus for me.